Hello everyone, I'm going to do a review about a couple of Porsche models from the brand Para64. These are diecast car models in a 1/64 scale. Let's start with the one on top. Porsche 935/78 Moby Dick 9081 Lagoon Seca 100 miles. Comes in a nice display case, and let's take off the plastic. We got a racing track here that looks very cool, and a picture of the car in the back. It's an official licensed product. That is what we like, and I got it from the Diecast company, better known as Tom's Model Autos. Got a barcode and article number for the ones who are interested. Oh, there is some tape. Have to get a knife. There we go. So there's say Porsche, same as on the package. How many screws? Just one screw. I can handle that. Feels pretty heavy, I have to say. It's a plastic base. Oh, nice. The tires in the back are a lot wider than the ones in the front. That is very realistic. Here we see the exhaust. Very good rolling wheels. We got side mirrors, very important. Lanced light here in the front. Penthouse, is that from the Penthouse? The magazine for men's, for guys. There is a roll cage, and let's see how the interior looks like. A right hand steering. My hands are shaking. I drink a little bit too much coffee. Well, keeps me going. And here, no seat because it's a racing car. What would be cool was a red fire extinguisher here in the car. But okay, up to the next one. Put this one right here in the back. So, same model, but this is the Porsche 935/78 Moby Dick 9078 24 Hours of Le Mans. And this was the Lagoon Seca 100 miles. This one looks also fantastic. You want to see the barcode and article number? Freeze the frame. Put this right here. Then we got some tape. There we go. I like the color of this one a little bit more because of the Martini livery. Name of the driver? Or not? No, I don't think so. Ah, there is the name of the driver. Jagermeister, and on the other side, also Jagermeister. Turbo loader, Martini Porsche. Yeah, really cool. Also the landslides right here. And same interior. Wonderful. Love it. Then we're going to this one, Porsche 911 Carrera RSR 3.0 Kramer Racing Wallys jeans. Here we got the barcode and article number. And this one also comes from Tom's Model Autos. Biggest diecast car store in the world. Yes, I did many videos in that store. You can look it up if you want on my YouTube channel. And don't forget to like and share this video. You really help me with that. Lanced lights here in the back. Exhaust. Nice ducktail. No heating in the back window. And that's the same for this one. I believe these cars do have heating in the back window. Roll cage, side mirrors. Windscreen wipers molded in the glass. Nice intercooler here in the front. Looks like that something went wrong. I believe this is a decal and they screwed up right here. Not a super big deal. Good rolling wheels. Well, the wheels in the back are not super good rolling. And we got a plastic base. Let's do it like this so we can read what is there. Normal screws, so that's very important if you want to upgrade the interior with some colors. I believe those accessories are available on AliExpress. Sticker for the dashboard, some seat belts for the bucket seats. So yes, that is possible. And then it's handy that there are normal screws. Another Porsche 911 RSR 3.0, the Jagermeister livery. Oh, barcode and article number for the ones who are interested. Yes, licensed product. Cool rims, my friends. Jagermeister. Only when it's ice and ice cold. See, here we got the intercooler and here it's a lot better. Let's take it off the base. And interior, this is a left-hand steering, seats on both sides, but the seat here is a lot smaller, as you can see. And then the last one, also a 911 RSR 3.0. This is the Vaillant livery. Beauty. From these three 911s, this one is my favorite. Favorite livery. I think Para64 did a really great job making these Porsches. They look very good. Nice rims also. Same rims as on the Jagermeister livery. Bilstein. Nice ducktail. Oh, I think they screwed up a little bit right here. Yeah. Yes, they did. but still a very nice model. Love it. It's going to be a good combination with the Midget Vaillant trailer set. Yeah, I can make a nice photo with it. Yeah. Yeah, I like them. Let me know what you think about these models. Which one is your favorite? Is it one of these or is it a 911? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like and share, click, 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 and thank you very much. Have a nice day. Bye.